Also, if you see the superstars like Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan or anybody, Hrithik Roshan, you see the fans or the other people, they troll them. कि अरे बुड्ढा हो गया तो बुड्ढा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? Every year we are growing old, aren't we? That's the law of the nature, that we grow old every year. We are not going backward. So that's very normal and that's very natural. Have you seen this? That how people make fun of the stars or non-stars also? That you're growing old and you've become old. Who hasn't seen?
And media also showed this thing. Media also, I saw many posts in my Facebook that there are the picture of Salman Khan and others, and the age is given on their face or on their body. That yes, he is that much old, he is that much old. Media is so much.
And have you seen the trolling part?
Yes.
Jilik, what do you have to say? Have you seen?
I have seen not only in social media but also in from the surrounding people also. This is not only for the star but also for the people that I heard that she's 30 now, when she will get married.
Yeah.
All the time I hear this, not from my family but from the other person.
General society, yes.
And yes.
Also comments like एक बच्ची की माँ बन गई है और 2 बच्चे की माँ है और अभी भी जीन्स पहन रही है, देखो. Giving you some examples. বাংলায় বলতে গেলে বাবা বাচ্চার মা হয়ে গেছে বা জিন্স পরেছে. That means what? Age shaming, right? Yes. So it's not about that you going through it, but you must be observing that what's happening around. If you see in the Western countries like UK or America, Australia, all these places, the couples, they live by themselves and they do everything on their own. They mow the grass, they do their groceries, they go for shopping together, they cook, they do their dishes, socialize, they do everything on their own. They're not dependent on a maid servant, they are not dependent on their children to come and take care of them. But here, what happens? The moment you cross 40 or maybe 50, that's it. You feel I should retire. You need help. Somebody will lift your one hand, your one leg. You behave like a paralyzed person. That's true. You are like somebody who's 50 or say 60 or 70 or 80. They can't imagine like doing their own stuff by themselves. Also, they are more sick. I've not seen here that people at a certain age, they go to the gyms.
Yes.
They're not doing their cardios, weightlifting and all these things. It's so important to do. But in the Western countries, they are so conscious about their health and fitness. They're so serious. So they are very fit. Even at their 80s and 90s, they're so fit. And they do everything on their own. Not like here, where you feel like, oh, I'm going to die.
They are waiting for die.
Yeah, the mothers are saying that আর সেজে কি হবে, বাচ্চারা তো বড় হয়ে গেছে, ভাই তো বয়স হয়ে গেল, अब तो उम्र हो गई बच्चों का, तो मतलब ये क्या है आपको, मतलब क्या मर जाएं, मर ही जाए अभी. But this age obsession is actually a hindrance, it's a blockage, and it's taking the person to the tunnel of depression. You are born to live every moment. Till the last breath of your life, you're supposed to do something. Uplift yourself. Invest on learning skills. Go for exercise. Do gym. Do your yoga. Dress well. Take good care of your skin and hair. Have friends. Socialize. Life is not just about children. Investing everything, time, money, energy, labor, everything you do for the children, and then children are busy, they get married, they are settled abroad, they have their life, they are busy, and then you are suffering in depression. Why? Because they're not calling you over the phone. Why don't you have a life of your own? Why are you behaving as a victim? Can you understand? Now let's see what you have to say on it.